Just turned on. I missed it starting up, but this is a Trane package unit. Again, this is Trane electric. So this is probably a gas pack, but I'm not 100% sure. But I think this is a gas pack. Don't see any place for the. I don't see an exhaust pipe, so this might not be a gas pack, but don't know. And this is from September of 2015. That's a 4-ton. And I believe this is a straight cool unit. Don't know for sure though. Compressor's down there. The compressor's located right behind this thing right there. Yeah, this is a Trane. This thing is very, very quiet. Very quiet startup. I can't even hear the compressor. Or I just can barely hear the compressor. Oh, this is a heat pump. Yep. Yeah, so this is a heat pump. Thought this was a straight cool because I thought it might be a gas pack. A gas pack can still see heat pumps, but yeah, this is a heat pump. There is a ductless unit right there that I will get a closer look at. Oh yeah, it's an EMI. EMI ductless unit. Don't think it's running. Nope. It is right there. Let's see. Where's the date? Yeah, this is a 2.5 ton? Can't get the manufacturer date off of this thing. But yeah, this is an EMI ductless. I assume this is a heat pump. There's the fan right there. Can't really get a good look inside there. Obviously, all the goods are behind this panel right here. There's the disconnect box right there. Suction line. I don't know when this was manufactured. R22 refrigerant. Obviously. Oh, and there's a Trane right here. XC1000. XC1200. Red label in part sleeve. Okay, this is August of 2000. 3-ton. R22 refrigerant. This line's cold. And there's one more unit on the other side of the building. I think it's a... Oh, I did not notice this yet. That's an E-Bank unit right there. Yeah, it's a... And there's a Frigidaire duct window unit right there. There's the... Right there. And there is another unit. Probably another Trane. Grand Aire. It's a Grand Aire. Data sheet faded. Yeah. And there is a Janitrol. Yeah, York LX series. Yeah, this is just like the one at my lake house, but smaller. All the guts are located back here. This probably has a Bristol compressor. A Bristol reciprocating. Yeah, this is from 1996. That is a 2-ton. The one at my lake house is a 3-ton, but still pretty identical with this one. That's the only difference. It's from 1993. This one's from 96. I assume this uses R22. Oh, central cooling air conditioner. So this is a straight cool unit. Now my lake house is a heat pump. Yeah, this is a straight cool unit. There's a York LX series. This looks fairly new. That's a heat pump. Bristol reciprocating compressor. It's got that big long thing. Don't know what that is. That might be a filter dryer. I can't find the date here. Okay, so 2015 3-ton R410A refrigerant. Just the label right there. And this is, I think this is a Trane. This is the package unit I was talking about. Or it might be a Grand Aire, don't know. Oh yes, it's a Grand Aire. Very rusty. And the data sheet's worn off. And this is a gas pack. There's the gas lines back there. Right there. There's the... This might be a heat pump, but I'm not 100%. Oh, you know what? Oh yeah, I can see clearly. I think it's a straight cool unit. Copeland reciprocating compressor down there. Don't know how you can read that. I wish I could make the thing focus, but yeah, this is. I think this is a straight cool unit, and it has been running. The motor is very warm, the fan motor. Oh wow. Can't get the data sheet. It almost looks like it was removed. But yeah, Grand Aire gas pack. This is probably about 17 or 18 years old, maybe a little more. Could be less, don't know. And see, I don't know where's the suction light. Yeah, that's how the on goes. Let's see what kind of fan motor this thing has. This has a... I can't tell. I can't tell. Yeah, it's got the coil's pretty beaten up, but the unit itself looks like it's in good condition. But looks a little rusty. The fan grill's very rusty. And there's water down there. So you know what? It might still work. Oh, it says Copeland, but I think that's a. It says the compressor says Copeland, but I think that's a Bristol. It only has 2 feet. So don't know how you can see that, but it says Copeland, but the compressor only has 2 feet. I think. Oh wow! It just turned on. Sweet. Yeah, it sounds like a Bristol, so I'm pretty sure it is a Bristol. There's the gas line once again. There's the Grand Aire label. Grand Aire gas pack. And again, I think this is a straight cool unit, not a heat pump. It might just have its own gas furnace right in here. It might just have a gas boiler right in here, don't know. And there's the disconnect box again. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.